relaxation, which has been designed to help your body fight successfully against existing global pandemic crisis of coronavirus. On the way to this journey, you shall be informed about some very important points for survival. You don't have to stress. Everything will be fine. We shall handle this situation together, very scientifically and systematically. It has been proven that stress affects immunity very badly, and immunity is vital for the survival of the body. So during this session, every care shall be taken to keep your stress levels low. Lie down, and you should not be disturbed for next few minutes. It is advisable to use headphones for optimized effects. It will help you to absorb all suggestions at your subconscious level. Listen to this for at least 3 weeks regularly for developing an extremely optimistic approach towards your strong and healthy body. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Let this breathing be deep and slow. As you inhale through nose, let your abdomen come out. Exhale through mouth and let your abdomen go in. This is called diaphragmatic breathing. Continue breathing in this way with the music. Breathe in through nose, abdomen out. Breathe out through mouth, abdomen in. As you do this breathing, you did start getting calm, more relaxed. Release any tension whatsoever is in your mind and let it go. Don't react on it. Let it go. Watch it like a cloud. It's coming. Let go. Watch it going. It's going. Gone. Be a spectator. Just watch the thoughts. You are getting calm. Now imagine yourself as if you are floating on the surface of ocean. Silent ocean waves are touching your back. You are watching the sky. Everything is cool, pure, beautiful. And as you relax, you let go. Relax your body, and you are going deeper. And as you drift deep, you are feeling a wave of happiness. Feel it. Relish it. Enjoy it. Have faith in yourself. You are on a correct path to release all panic, all pressure. You are a very stable person. You are not disturbed if the COVID test of yours is positive. You are the power. You have the power to heal yourself. You have even power to heal others. Panic that occurred due to this pandemic will gradually decrease. Listening to this scientifically designed hypnosis session will develop strong mental capacity to raise your inner strength against COVID. You are a fighter. You are a soldier. And soldier never quits. Now take 3 quick breaths. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale. Every time you feel stress, panic, loneliness, you will take 3 quick breaths and your strong inner core would wake up to support you. Going more deep. You are strong. You are an intelligent person. You like healthy food. You eat healthy food. You like warm water to drink. This warm water which you drink will help in healing your body. You are giving promise to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every day. Less sleep affects immunity badly. You sleep with calm. Every morning you are doing pranayam. You love doing pranayam. Due to this breathing exercise, fresh oxygen enters into your lungs and heals it. Watch the air you breathe in is going deeper and deeper into both lungs. Talk to your lungs. Your lungs will respond to your talk. Tell your lungs, you are healing. You are getting fine. You are working with finest of your efficiency. You are getting free from any infection or illness. Now you are entering the final depth. My voice is fading, but still you can listen to me. This is your subconscious. You are talking with your subconscious. Your subconscious is also talking to you. You are giving promise to stay calm and confident. You are the survivor in this global pandemic. Your optimistic attitude is amazing. Listening to this, your subconscious mind is getting happier and happier. Your subconscious mind is talking to all other organs of the body. Every organ is getting happier and happier. Happy to fight against any virus in any situation. You know that future is good. You know that whatever happens, happens for a reason. You feel the wave of energy in your body. This is the healing energy. Energy which is spreading throughout the enjoy this fantastic state of body and mind. You are remembering this state very strongly in your mind. More you will listen to this hypnotic relaxation, more powerful this state would be. With all the positive thoughts, faith, confidence, courage, and more importantly, finest healing energy, you are now proceeding towards the surface. As I count from 5 to 1, you will be returning slowly. And 5, you are happy and you remember to take care of your body. And 4, you are calm but strong. You will never give up. And 3, whenever energy level drops, take 3 quick breaths and your strong inner core will wake up to support you. 2, you are thrilled. Waves of positive healing energy are felt in the entire body. And 1, open your eyes. Welcome back. Appreciate your efforts towards a super strong, healthy body and super strong mind. You are a survivor against any difficulty. You are healthy, wealthy, happy, loved and rich. Wish you a fantastic health and a happy long life.